everyone. We are now at the airport in plenty of time to grab coffee and eat a little bit of food packed from home. It's a Sunday today and we are meeting up with the rest of the family who flew in on Friday. So we're flying Hawaiian Airlines and I haven't flown in quite a while. The last time I flew was October of last year, but that was to Las Vegas. And if you guys haven't watched those videos yet, I will link it up to this video. But the last time I honest to goodness flew was last year July to the Big Island. So I'm a little anxious, a little nervous, but very excited to travel. Alright, so now we're just having our snacks. We have chips. This is chicken fajita rolls. It looks like this. I ate my yakisoba earlier, so I'm not hungry, plus I don't want to take my mask off. And we get complimentary rum punch if you like, besides soda or water. And then another feature that I just discovered, I love this. You put your iPad in here. This is new, at least new for me. I hope you guys can hear me. We've landed about 10-15 minutes ago. I'm double masked and I have my double hat.
So, nabili sa isang hat.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So, lagyan sa isang
So this is our first time in Maui, my first time and my mom's. And we're just waiting for the fam bam to pick us up. OMG! Happy birthday, kapatid!
Thank you.
So we are in the Lahaina area on our way to our lodging. But first, we are going to stop over here to pick up some lunch. I am starving. It's a little after 1:30 already. Look at this ginormous fam bam van. It's a school bus. In our lodging, it is lunchtime. Board the Quicksilver for a sunset dinner cruise, but what we didn't realize is that it's not a large boat, so you can really feel the rise and fall of the boat. And we started off with some cocktails and now we're having salad. It is quite a challenge to eat in these conditions. Half of us are actually feeling sickly already. So I had to stand
stand up because I was feeling a bit queasy. I couldn't eat my fish or my fish sticks. We're finally done with the sunset dinner cruise, and it could not end soon enough. I could not eat any of the foods past the salad, and from what I saw, the quality wasn't all that appetizing anyway. Sorry, we're walking around sort of the Lahaina downtown, and I'm walking under a lamppost that's giving off this weird color. But it was very difficult to eat. It was neither peaceful or relaxing.
All right, we're home, and today was definitely an interesting start to this Maui trip. A really nice treat though at the end of that very interesting dinner cruise was the lunar eclipse. We saw a part of it, and in all honesty, I don't ever remember seeing an eclipse, or it's been a really long time since I've ever seen an eclipse clearly, only because the San Francisco skies is always covered in clouds. Today was a short day, but we still have a week-long activities and adventure planned. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below. So from my mind side to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.